Hey there, I'm here to talk to you about the Linguistic Risk-Taking Passport. It is a tool that will help you learn and use your second language. This passport will challenge you, will make you step out of your comfort zone, will make you use your second language in a real-life setting, and boost your self-esteem while having fun. This passport contains linguistic risks based on real-life situations. You can use this on your own, with your friends, with your family. You can use it at home. You can use it at school, while you're doing your shopping, while you're ordering food at a restaurant, while you're playing sports, and even when you're playing video games. When you open your passport to page 4, you will see the rules of engagement, where it clearly explains how to use this passport. Each linguistic risk can be done up to 3 times, and each time it is done, you circle the level of difficulty of risk-taking. If it was easy, circle L for low linguistic risk. If it was either hard or easy, circle M for medium linguistic risk. If it was really hard, then circle H for high linguistic risk. This passport is very easy to use, and you'll probably discover that you had strengths that you didn't think you had in the first place. And that's the real adventure about learning a new language, discovering strengths that you didn't think you had. So get ready to take on some linguistic risks. This is an adventure, and you are the pilot. Bon voyage!